Hi everyone, welcome to Kat's Creations. It's been a while since I've taken you on a trip to show you either A, what new products are available, or to do an unboxing. So today I went specifically on a mission to try to find what's going on in Dollar Tree. Like, what does Dollar Tree have available that we as wreath makers can utilize? So I thought I'd share some new products that I found that I'm totally in love with. And I love the fact that Dollar Tree has these available, or will be getting them available to your local Dollar Tree shops. So stuff for fall, stuff for football season, stuff for Halloween. And I thought I would share this with you guys today since I just came back and everyone's like, what did you buy? I'm like, let me just do a really quick video and I'll just show you everything that I have. So give me just 1 second so I can pull this up. Hi Leanne, hi Christine. Okay, so let me show you what Dollar Tree has. Let's start where the season kind of falls into place right now. So we're gonna look at what does Dollar Tree have as far as Halloween stuff. I think you guys are gonna love this. Kind of wish that this would have been out a little bit earlier, but it's still not too late to incorporate these into your or into your Halloween wreaths or Halloween home decor items. So the first thing that I found that was super cute that I haven't seen, at least in our Dollar Trees out here in Southern California, were these little small ornaments. So these are about 1 inch in diameter. Let's see, there are 16 in a box. So they vary from shiny to glitter to flat and just various patterns, I guess. So they come in, I just said 16 pieces, about 1 inch in diameter. They have them in black. They also have them in just solid orange. So these are super cute if you're looking for small little items to kind of tuck into your wreaths or home decor designs. They also have them in a mix. So you can get a little bit of the hot pink, slight purple, again in the same thing. So I picked up a lot of the traditional ones, so the black and orange, because I will use those continuously throughout all my designs for Halloween, because people have a tendency of gravitating towards the more traditional looks. So again, all this came from Dollar Tree. So imagine how keeping our costs down can allow us to maybe embellish a little bit more. It would also keep the cost of our end product down so that the customer is able to purchase an item from your shop. So those are things that I grabbed, obviously black and orange. Those are super cute. Also, they have little mini pumpkins. So these are 12 in a pack. These are about 1.5 inches in diameter, little pumpkins. So again, if you're looking for items, like we know that Hobby Lobby is not going to be carrying Halloween. I don't know, I know Michael's and Joann's will to a limited set, but these are just, like I said, great items for you to incorporate in your decor. So they have them in orange. I did not see them in black. They have them in purple as well, and then they had ones that were a little bit bigger in like the purple color. It's kind of like that purple hot pink kind of blend. And then they had ones a little bit bigger, which I wasn't really that fond of, that were orange with black polka dots all over. But again, it's a fun thing. So I am highly impressed at what Dollar Tree has available this year as compared to in years past. Also, they have, we're always talking about little embellishments that you could add. These are witch hats. So there's a purple, a lime green, and an orange. There's a 3-pack there. These are approximately 3-inch high witch hats. So you can get those in a pick. They also have bats, and these are like little clips. So you can put those on your designs. They have them in the black glitter. They didn't have them in orange, but they did have them in the purple. Let's make sure I've got everything there. So I got a couple of the black. I have a tendency of trending towards the natural. And I can tell that my husband threw these in. So here's the purple pumpkins. So these are a couple items you can add to your wreath embellishment. Also, they went I've never seen these before. A little bit bigger ornaments. This is a 5-piece. There's that purple pink color. Glitter ones with spider webs on them. So 5-pack for obviously $1. And then they have them like this, which is super cute because we had just talked about adding eyeballs to your wreath. They have them in a black and then the white with either a purple eye or a blue eye in them. And they have them with the purple balls inside. So I just thought, you know what, these are super fun. They're only $1, so I'm gonna pick these up. I might incorporate these in some other designs that I just backfill in my shop that are more traditional and more fun. In addition to these, they had, so here's the bigger pumpkins. These are a 4-pack and these are the purple with the orange with black stems. So 4-pack there. And let's see what else. Let me just go through and start pulling these out. For their fun florals, so they also have this purple with black tip roses. There's some spiders on there with the same color trend, black leaves. But what I thought was super fun is they have the little eyes added. So those are kind of fun to incorporate along with all of this. Like if you were doing the whole like eye thing, that would be super cute. So again, $1. So they have them in purple and they also have them in black. So these are fun elements that, like I said, it just takes your designs up to a whole new level. You could also use some of these, especially in the fun florals, to make your lantern swags, which we will be incorporating, and I'll be showing you how to do a Halloween lantern swag, which can double as a pillar, or what would you call it? Pillar, oh, a table runner. So you could use that for like a Halloween party. That would be super fun. So look for that coming fairly soon. So in addition, they have a ton of wooden signs that you can get. So this one is super fun. It's the Boo. And not only do they have the little wooden signs, because this is a really good size. So let me measure this for you. This is 12 inches by 6 inches at the longest and the widest point. So you could decorate or paint these or give these to your kids and allow them to do that. They also have, in the same section as all the signs, they have trick-or-treat ones. They have jack-o'-lanterns and haunted houses, but they also have your sponge brushes. They have your little paint pads. They have your paint brushes. So again, you can keep this all relatively inexpensive. And now they started pulling out their washable paint. So we have black, we have orange, and we have white. So if you wanted to decorate your own sign, because maybe you just want something of a different color and a different blend, that's something that you can offer. So check all this out. This is awesome this year for the Dollar Tree to offer all of this stuff. They're still putting out their Halloween decor. They're putting out a little bit of their fall. So I picked up a few fall things, but they don't have everything out just yet. So what do you guys think so far of just the fall or the Halloween items? Let's see, Paula says was able to get cute chalkboard and it comes with chalk. That's awesome. Can't wait to get the rest of their Halloween stuff in as well, because I'm looking for some items that I can incorporate into a really large porch garland that will go over a doorway and extend all the way down to where we'll do some pumpkin kind of topiary decor with some fun items that we add. My daughters are a little bit more on the classic, but still trending on not really like gory, but kind of creepy. So a lot of traditional colors, black, oranges, and whites. So I thought I would show you this. So Hi GD from Colorado. Let me put these aside so then you guys can just move these over here. And then I will show you what they have out so far in our Dollar Tree for fall. So I just thought it'd be fun to work on a project and just paint a sign and see how that comes out. Never done that before. So we'll see how this comes out and what the paint quality is like. Okay, for fall, I love Dollar Tree's, they call these mini chrysanthemums, but I incorporate these in almost every single one of my fall florals. So they have them in a dark orange. They have it in a lighter orange color. They also have it in a red. So 3 different shades of like your fall colors. Obviously that's a lot of florals to get into a centerpiece. So obviously I picked up more. And let's see what else we have in here. More fall mums. So these are just fun little fillers. And then they have your sunflowers. This is more of your orange with yellow tips. Here's more of your mini chrysanthemums in a orange, kind of trending towards the yellow color. I know that they have yellow, they just didn't have them out yet. So besides these sunflowers, they have all your traditional sunflowers as well. So if you're looking to make a low cost centerpiece, whether you're doing it for your own home or whether you're going to incorporate it as part of like your fall florals, Dollar Tree has some really good florals that they can use to supplement or you know, accentuate something to where maybe you're not using $7 to say $20 florals to put together a really nice floral arrangement. In addition, Dollar Tree is putting back out their flex tubing. It's still a little bit on the thinner side. Excuse me. 36 feet of mesh tubing. So it comes in orange, lime green, purple, and brown. I'm gonna be stocking up on the brown because I pretty much have all of the other colors. And then in addition to that, we also have, that I found in our Dollar Tree, we have the wire pumpkin frames. So I know a lot of people are looking for these. So Dollar Tree is putting these out. So start checking if you're looking for them. A lot of wreath makers are coming out with really unique designs that you can make using the Dollar Tree pumpkin frame. You can also pick these up at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobbies are $5.99, but they're 40% off. So if you don't have them and you really want to make one, that's an option for you in the event that your local Dollar Tree does not have them. Lastly, I have the little football frames. So we are going to be making a design using the Dollar Tree pumpkin or football frame. So they have these as available. They also have the larger witch hat frame. So not the little one with all the tinsel that a lot of people are making witch hats from, but this one's a little bit taller. And I'll repost a video in this group tomorrow showing you how you can incorporate a design using fabric on those to give yourselves a totally different look. Those just came out, I want to say last year, so along with the pumpkin frames, so a lot of people didn't know what to do with them. And so now it's been around the block for a little bit. Now you're starting to see people come out with really creative, unusual, and awesome ideas. So any questions you guys have for me that I can share with you? I prefer to have a lot of these in stock. Like I said, I use the mums throughout the year. I'll incorporate these in fall and summer items, especially the sunflowers. Those can definitely be incorporated into a summer to transitional fall floral arrangement. The pumpkin ornaments, like these, are super, these are new for this year. So when I saw them, I was like, oh my God, we got to get some of those. So check out your local dollar store or Dollar Tree store for these items. You're going to probably see them start to roll in. And let's see. We're looking for more stuff that I'm used to seeing in the Dollar Tree. I did check one thing, however, when we did the Fall for Jesus wreath, a lot of people were in love with that chocolate deco mesh. Unfortunately, Joann's is not launching that this year. They're kind of trending towards a more traditional, like rustic look. So you're gonna start to see a rust and a cream plaid blend. You can pull them up on Joann's website now and just put in, I think it's Place and Time or Time and Place is the product line. And you'll see the different deco mesh colors that are coming out this year. There is an ombre color, which is a brown, an ivory, and it's like a weird color orange. It's not really an orange. It kind of trends a little bit more to a rust color, which are pretty. And we'll be incorporating that item coming up here in our tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing as I shared some products. The things that I didn't pick up but Dollar Tree carried, I'll share these in photos of what I found. Just be cautious too on the Joann's deco mesh. Check the lengths. A lot of what I'm seeing is only coming in 18-foot lengths, so really watch your prices. So if they're giving it to you for 65 or 75% off, then that's a good deal. But I wouldn't be going to buy one get one free, because you're losing not quite half a roll of the deco mesh, but depending upon your design, it might turn out to be more costly than you had originally planned. So double check all your lengths. What else? Talked about the pretty metallic is not available this year. So if you do find it in your Joann's, it's probably going to be clearance from last year, so pick those up if you see them. I only wish I would have bought more. But that's about it. I just want to thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll talk to you guys on Friday at 5, where I'm going to bring you something super cool and fun to make. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks, everyone.